Hi guys, welcome back to Chickadia. Next in the Valentine series, I'm gonna teach you to draw this yummy cheesy slice of pizza in the shape of a heart. Let's get started.
Chickadia!
Let's begin with drawing a heart. Looks good. Now for the crust, draw a wide V shape, leaving a gap of ½ inch from here. ½ inch, a wide V. Gradually extend the V to form a curve until it tapers into the edge, like this. Now follow the same steps on the other side as well. You know, this is a piping hot slice and the cheese is melting and dripping. Sometimes this is all you need to melt someone's heart, right? The dripping could be random. It need not be perfect. Who doesn't like a yummy slice of pizza? This looks good. Now let's do the face. Start with the eyes. Closed lid with lashes spiking outwards. Now the mouth. Looks like this pizza is tasting itself.
Yeah!
Now, time to add toppings. Of course, toppings are the healthier part of a pizza. You can add any of your favorite toppings. I'm gonna add some greens too. It's a piece of bell peppers. Let me do the outlines before coloring. I'm using a black marker. Let's do the colors now. Starting with the crust, I'm using light brown. Yellow for cheese. Red pepperoni and green for the peppers. Do the shading with darker colors. Finishing off with some details on the pepperoni. Almost done. The pizza is ready. You can even gift it to someone who loves you as much as they love a pizza. Please do like, share, and subscribe for even more fun ideas. Thank you. Bye-bye.